Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Why PocketFi's listing date could change the crypto landscape. PocketFi is taking the crypto world by storm, earning its place as one of the most innovative Telegram-based projects of 2024. With a unique blend of cutting-edge decentralized finance, DeFi, features and seamless usability, PocketFi has captured the attention of millions. Its mini-app for Telegram goes beyond simple bot functions by integrating advanced tools like cross-chain token transfers, sniping opportunities, copy trading, and wallet management, all within the comfort of a Telegram chat interface. This isn't just another DeFi project trying to ride the hype wave. PocketFi is positioning itself as a game-changer, designed to simplify and enhance how people interact with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and other DeFi platforms. By streamlining processes and removing unnecessary barriers, PocketFi is carving a niche that appeals to both seasoned traders and crypto newcomers. The PocketFi community, a growing powerhouse. PocketFi has already built a massive community, with over 9 million users, 601.6k Twitter followers, and 3.3 million Telegram subscribers. These numbers reflect not just popularity but a growing trust in the project. Its dedicated community is buzzing with excitement, especially as the project nears several key milestones in late 2024. In addition to its growing user base, PocketFi's reputation is bolstered by its innovative Airdrop program. This initiative is more than just a token giveaway. It's an integral part of the platform's play-to-earn ecosystem. Users can earn rewards by completing in-app activities and missions, adding an element of gamification that keeps the community engaged. Key dates, airdrop, listing, and what to expect. The highly anticipated PocketFi Airdrop is scheduled for Q4 2024, although the exact date remains a mystery. This has created a sense of urgency among users eager to participate in the final phases of the project's token mining activities, which are set to conclude before the year ends. Following the airdrop, all eyes will be on the PocketFi listing date, which is expected to be a pivotal moment for the crypto market. Traders and investors alike are closely watching for announcements about the listing and launch, as these events will likely trigger significant movements in the token's price. With its strong ecosystem and community support, many analysts predict a sharp increase in the PocketFi coin price after it hits the market. What makes PocketFi stand out? While there are countless DeFi projects out there, PocketFi differentiates itself with its seamless integration into Telegram. The PocketFi mini-app allows users to manage multiple wallets, keep track of all your digital assets without juggling multiple platforms, swap tokens across chains, enjoy the freedom of cross-chain token transfers, a feature that simplifies trading like never before, automate trades and strategies. The copy trading feature empowers users to follow the strategies of top-performing traders, leveling the playing field for beginners. Participate in DeFi directly in Telegram. No more navigating through clunky websites or standalone apps. Everything you need is within the Telegram interface. These features make PocketFi an accessible and practical solution for anyone, from crypto veterans to those taking their first steps into decentralized finance. The future of DeFi on Telegram. PocketFi is not just another fleeting trend, it represents the next stage in the evolution of DeFi platforms. By leveraging Telegram, one of the world's most popular messaging apps, PocketFi makes DeFi accessible to a global audience. Users no longer need to learn complex platforms or deal with the steep learning curve that often accompanies crypto trading. For experienced traders, PocketFi's advanced tools like token sniping and automated trading offer opportunities to maximize profits with ease. For beginners, its user-friendly design and gamified ecosystem provide a perfect entry point into the world of crypto.